Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code Gems, and in this video we're gonna show how we can get the data from Google Analytics and how we can represent it with the help of our radar chart. But before, if you are new to my channels, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon so you can never miss any video by Code Gems. Now we will see some of the definition of the radar chart. The radar charts are also known as spider charts, web charts, or you can say star charts. A radar chart is a graphical method of displaying multivariate data in the form of a two-dimensional chart of three or more quantitative variables represented on axis starting from the same point. We'll get into a bit more explanation. Each variable is provided an axis that starts from the center. All axes are arranged radially with equal distances between each other while maintaining the same scale between all axes. Grid lines that connect from axis to axis are often used as a guide. Each variable value is plotted along its individual axis and all the variables in a dataset and connected together to form a polygon. Let's see what are the uses quickly. Radar charts are useful for seeing which variables are scoring high or low within a dataset, making them ideal for displaying performance such as skill analysis of employee or sport players or product comparison. Let's quickly get into our practical approach without any delay. I will go to my Power BI screen, and here I will get the data from Google Analytics. I will write Google over here. We have Google Analytics right now, and I hit connect. It is asking for connecting to a third-party service, so you will hit continue. Here you go. I have the fields over here. Right now I want to tell you one thing, that I have already signed in with my Google email, so it's already automatically fetch the data from Google Analytics. But if you are doing this one for the first time, so you have to provide the username and password to access Google Analytics. So we have my data. Basically this is my website data, codesam.com. So I will select some of the parameters from here. These are some fields, parameters. I will go to Geo Network, select country. I will go to sessions, hit the hits, hit the sessions over here. I'll go to user and new user. I will go to time to have the date field. So we are ready to load the data into our Power Query editor. So I will transform the data. Here you go. We have the data available over here, and I simply go and close and apply. Here you go. We have tables and data set over here. I will rename it to Google Analytics. Now what I'll do, I will go over here to get my radar chart from the get more visuals. I will search over here for the radar chart. Here you go. I will hit add to have them in the visualization section. It is imported. So here you go. You have this one. So right now I will take the table just for a view. I will take in countries and the sessions. I will select the radar chart. So here you go. You have a beautiful demonstration of a radar chart. So right now you can see we have countries around the globe, and what I have countries and the sessions in the blue area. So, and this one is the highest sessions from the United States. To make the data more clear, I want to go to the session and filter out in this way that you can have a, or you can say you have a better view of the data sets. So I'm taking less than 10 sessions and less than or equal to 25 sessions, and hit apply and filter. You can see over here we have the better representation, but we need more, so I will click over here and apply filter. Yes, we have this one. And if I go over here and paint data color, so I can blue, so it's looking good. Data labels, text size, if I make it a bit larger for you so you can easily see what is going on. So here you go, we have a good representation with the help of a radar chart. Now here I would like to set up a target for my sessions for my users. So what I'll do, I will go over here and create a new measure, and measure name will be target, and target will be 15 users, or you can say sessions. I hit enter, and you can see over here our measures has been integrated. Here you go, I have put the target in the radar chart, so you can see over here what a beautiful radar has been generated with the help of target, sessions, and Google, in fact the Google Analytics data. Last but not the least, I will go back over here, and what I'll do, I will have the slicer, and in that slicer I will insert the date. Go over here and format to data inputs. Okay, I will squeeze a bit. I will click this one, enlarge a bit. So now if I want to check the date transition, so here you can see I can see the full-time interactive radar chart with the help of dates. So in this way, guys, we can create a beautiful radar chart with the help of data, and data are coming and fetching from the Google Analytics. So that's it from my side for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you can never miss any video by Code Gems.